Ladies and gentlemen, today you are traveling to the wonderful Indonesia. When we've arrived, you can begin your journey by feeling the breeze along with the warm sun on your face. You can put on the prepared life jacket when needed, or use the mask if you feel like taking a deep dive. Don't forget to keep yourself sanitized and washed. For further entertainment, don't forget to catch our rich cultural attractions. You will also be provided with an endless amount of diverse cuisines. And when we do arrive, take your time and use the nearest exit if you wish to have a physical distancing. Ladies and gentlemen, now sit back, relax, enjoy the wonderful Indonesia.